Arriving at the mountaintop. You park your car at the summit of the mountain, surrounded by lush greenery. The rain has been falling steadily, creating a peaceful ambiance. You step out of your car and feel the cool mist on your face. The gentle pitter-patter of raindrops on the car's roof and the leaves above instantly put your mind. Setting up your camping spot. You unpack your camping gear, listening to the sound of raindrops tapping against your tent. As you secure the tent poles, the rhythmic rain sounds create a calming rhythm. The scent of rain-kissed earth fills the air, further enhancing your relaxation. Inside the cozy tent, you enter your tent, finding warmth and comfort within. The rain continues to cascade outside, providing a serene backdrop. Snuggling into your sleeping bag, you feel cocooned and safe. The rain's melody lulls you into a peaceful state of mind. Rainy nature sounds. As you listen, you become aware of the other sounds the rain brings to life. Gentle gusts of wind rustle through the trees, blending harmoniously with the raindrops. You can hear the occasional chirping of birds seeking shelter, finding solace in the natural symphony of rain. Moments of reflection. The rain invites you to reflect and let go of any worries or stress that may be weighing you down. As each raindrop falls, it carries away your tension, leaving you feeling lighter and more at peace. Embrace this opportunity to connect with yourself and find serenity within. Rain's rhythmic medley. The rain intensifies, creating a delightful symphony of sound. Each droplet dances on the leaves, forming a chorus of nature's music. The melodic rhythm of the raindrops becomes a gentle lullaby, soothing your senses and guiding you into a state of deep relaxation. Falling asleep to the rain. As the night progresses, you find yourself drifting off to sleep, cradled by the rain's constant melody. The sound of raindrops hitting the tent's roof becomes a soothing lullaby, inviting peaceful dreams and a restful slumber. Conclusion. Take a moment to appreciate the tranquility that the rain has